Oh, dude, I don't feel so good. And guys, don't say I'm like Deadpool or something, but yeah, I could talk to you guys.
I'm not something. I'm big.
Be quiet, just be quiet. So here we're at a new playground thing. I don't know. Yeah, but it's pretty nice, and let's get into the video.
Yeah, look.
Okay, pause. What? Dude, do you see all that candy?
Yeah.
Oh, and by the way, this is Bean Bon, guys. You don't know him.
I want it. Give me.
Bean Bon! Wait!
Give me it.
Wait!
I want it.
The water bottle go boom boom.
I wanted to go boom boom.
No! That's really bad.
I wanted to go.
No!
boom.
Wait! We gotta find a way to take this off.
I got it.
Wait!
I hold it. You take it off.
Oh, wait!
There we go.
Wait, you played it? In the
I'm stuck.
arms of an angel. Just kidding. Well, we got this off, so guys, it's gonna be like let's open a package. It's so hard to open.
Let me.
Okay, no, I got it, Bean Bon. I got it. Look, I'm pretty strong.
I want it.
Now it's so good. Get one of those things. So awesome. Don't you like that? Stop being crazy.
I like being crazy.
Dude, that's so good. Wait. Pause it.
Smile. Give me some.
Wait. Play it.
It's like.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a plastic man.
Give me some.
It's so good. This is mine.
See.
Okay, now.
Mine.
You pause it? You played it? So, what are we gonna do with this bottle?
Say, where is?
Let's do the water bottle flip challenge. That's a new challenge, guys. So let's do the water bottle
I'm gonna
flip
kill
challenge.
you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, dang it. You want to try, Bean Bon?
Yeah.
Okay, now. Okay, guys. So yeah, let's get into the other part of the video and start water bottle flipping. Okay.
Wait.
See ya. And that was the other puppet.
I think something
So bye.
is coming out of my butt. The wrapper. I knew
Are
it.
you filming?
Yes, of
Dude,
course.
just go.
Alright.
No, wait.
Wait, I'm gonna check on the
Go.
face.
I'm gonna try it on flip. I'm starting. I can do it a lot easier over here.
Just.
Over here, but I don't
Okay,
know.
go.
I don't know, guys.
Go.
It's a lot easier over here.
Go again.
Again, guys? Okay, I'll just do it again.
Guys.
No, we're not doing that anymore.
Where's the
It's
bed?
not. Okay. But now I'm sure it didn't look at all. It hates it. Okay.
Go. Go,
So, yeah. Let's go on to the next trick.
Wait, guys, Tiffany, come
Wait,
here.
pause it.
Wait. Look.
Okay, so over here it's gonna be a lot harder than anywhere.
Go,
we've
flip
tried
it.
So far. Flipping it. Oh yeah.
There's a roll here.
See, you guys, it's a lot harder over there. Okay, pause it. We're gonna try to do it on these rocks. It's gonna be extremely hard, but let me lean. What the heck? What is going on? It can balance, but I don't think I'll be able to. I just hit that, so it's probably gonna. Yeah, guys, that sucked.
Balls.
This is I'm gonna try to. Can you see it? The back of the rim. Excuse me, Chantel.
Right there.
Is that what it is?
There.
You can try.
You're getting pretty much down. That sounds smart.
Yeah. We'll do this later
Anthony!
on. What?
Dab.
We'll do
Good
this
job.
later on in the video. So, yeah, let's go. Pause it.
Okay. No. Okay. No.
I've
Stop.
never been the cameraman in the video.
Okay.
I really like this. Okay.
Dumb.
Okay, go.
Dumb
Do it. Okay, he's gonna try to land it. Round of applause. Yeah, you're doing good. Beautiful. By the way, it's me, Smash Amp, doing this camera.
Say hi to the camera.
Hey there! Okay, so that's Hadriel's flips. Pretty good. Okay, I'm ready. Go. Okay, we're gonna try to cap it. Go, Hadriel. Go! We messed up on that. We tried to fake edit that. I don't know how we're gonna pull that off.
Okay, you do it. Yeah, say I'm sorry, Anthony. Say sorry.
Sorry, Hadriel.
Yeah, you better say sorry. You little.
I got up. Did you pause it? When it went up?
Wait. Okay, do it again.
Sorry.
Say sorry again. I couldn't hear you.
Sorry.
Okay, go. Oh my God, guys!
Yay!
Anthony, come.
Yay!
Make sure whatever videos you guys make is glorifying to God, okay?
It is.
Come on.
Good stuff.
Okay, pause it.
Oh, the cap. Are you playing it?
Pause it. The videos are gonna suck. I don't know why. Are you playing it? Pause it. Wait, you playing it? Stop it. What? No! He just got. No, that can't
It's
be
true, right?
Let me
It's
tap
true.
it, let me tap
Tell me it's true. Okay. Now you try to do it. Just rub it a little bit. Rub it a little bit with your dirty little hands. Yeah, rub it. Rub it. Yeah. Rub it.
Okay.
And go.
No. Jose, what are you doing? Sorry guys, I haven't done a video in a long time. Even though this video still sucks, kind of. And yeah, we were just faking all those caps and get your hand out of here. And yeah, see ya after 2 weeks on Christmas break. See ya.
It's a drain.
Okay, so yeah, it's true. I faked it. He faked it. We all
faked it.
We all freaking faked it. But this is for real, bro. This is for the real man. This is for real man that
Okay, go do it.
Chester. For men that have Chester. Oh! Screw him.
What? No, my water bottle.
Freaking rage quit. Go.
Okay, so that's the end of the video, and yeah, that was our water bottle puppet show candy. Yay!
Candy. Yeah, candy.
See y'all guys on the next Smash Amp episode.